Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun day. Today we are doing MPACT. So I'm meeting here with a few guys, as you can see right here. We're about to head to New Jersey. So let me take you on this quick journey, man. It is 5-something a.m. and people are still meeting. We're supposed to leave here like what? Actually right now, and people are still coming. People are late, as always, but we're gonna give them like 5 minutes and then we're gonna head to Delaware to meet the rest of the group. Alright guys, we made it to Delaware with the crew. We got a few more people showing up. We got motherfucker. Yes sir. We got nice cars all the way. I'm gonna show you what's here. So follow me right now. Alright, so finally I made it to MPACT. Thanks to my buddy right here. Look who I found. Remember this guy, right? Ben. Look at this. Look at this. Tell us, man. Tell us what you did on this car, man. Tell us. Tell the viewers.
Dripped it with some sauce,
What are the wheels? Titan wheels. Still hot for all the burnouts. Engine still hot. 800 horsepower on this joint right here. We got pure turbo on this joint, man. If you see this guy on the street, run away. Please run away. This dude is sick right here. All his money is going to this car. I am no longer his friend. No longer his friends. Alright, man. So let me just enjoy my day and see you guys later. Oh, you want to go check out the wagon, I think. Hi YouTube, I am still here in Pocono, New Jersey, and I am tired. This event is lit, man. I did not videotape everything like I wanted, but you know, you're gonna see whatever footage I got, man. I am tired, so it's about time for me to head home. So I'll see you on the next video. Bye.